A quality management system, QMS, is a structured framework for managing and improving the quality of a product or service within an organization. It's like a set of rules and practices that a company follows to make sure its products or services meet certain standards of quality. Basically, it's a way for a company to organize itself to ensure it makes good stuff consistently. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Improved product quality. With QMS, companies can catch and fix problems early on, resulting in products that are consistently top-notch. Enhanced customer satisfaction. When products meet or exceed expectations, customers are happy campers, leading to loyalty and positive word of mouth. Cost reduction. By streamlining processes and minimizing errors, companies can save big bucks in the long run. But how does QMS help manufacturers specifically? Standardization. QMS establishes clear guidelines for every step of the manufacturing process, ensuring consistency and reliability. Risk management. By identifying potential risks and implementing measures to mitigate them, QMS helps manufacturers avoid costly mistakes. Regulatory compliance. In industries with strict regulations, like healthcare or aerospace, QMS ensures that manufacturers stay on the right side of the law. Enhanced quality consistency. A QMS ensures that every product meets the same high standards, reducing variability and enhancing reliability. Global market access. Quality certifications, often part of a QMS, can open doors to new markets and customers, as they serve as a testament to the organization's commitment to quality. Quality management in manufacturing is about to undergo big changes. Thanks to new technologies like AI, IT, and data analysis, along with Industry 4.0, we'll be able to predict and prevent quality issues before they even happen. In conclusion, the future of quality management in manufacturing holds a promise of enhanced precision, sustainability, and customer satisfaction through the integration of cutting-edge technologies.